In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to install and set up TrollStore without computer. And this TrollStore does support iOS 15 up to iOS 17.0. If you guys don't know what TrollStore is, it's essentially an app that allows you to permanently sign and install any application of your choosing. If you guys want to know the full compatibility, I will leave it in the comments down below, as there are certain iOS 16 versions that do not work, but you guys can also check the website for that. And now that that's out of the way, let's get straight into the installation. So the first thing you guys are going to do is go onto Safari here, and then in Safari you guys are going to search up TrollStore CFW, which I have already searched here. And what you guys are going to do is just click on the very first link. And once it loads, you guys will see a table with a bunch of different ways to download based on the chipset here. But before you guys do that, there are a few things that you guys need to know. So the first thing is that TrollStore is not a jailbreak. It's specifically just taking advantage of a bug that Apple had accidentally left. And if you scroll down here, you'll see all of the iOS versions on the left over here. So you'll see things like not applicable where it isn't supported. So anything from 14.0 beta 1 and earlier is not supported, and all the way after 17.01 and later is unsupported. And there are certain iOS 16 versions as well. So right here, as you guys can see, 16.7 to 16.7.16 is unsupported as well. And you guys will also see that there are chipset versions here. So depending on your chipset, it will require a different method. So for example, on iOS 15.5, if you are on an A8, then it requires TrollStore MDC. And then if you are on A9 to A11, then it's TrollStore X, and then after that is Troll Helper OTA. So based on my iOS version here, I'm on 16.1 and my device is an iPhone X, so it has an A11 chip. So now I have to essentially just go down here, and where you guys see 16.0 beta 6 to 16.6.1, I would have to go all the way left here, and you will see here for ARM 64 A9 to A11, it is TrollStore, and it's the same for A12 to A17 up to M2 chips. So now you guys can just click on that. And I do want to note something here, that TrollStore is the one that requires a computer, and I think TrollStore MDC also requires a computer, but TrollStore X and Troll Helper OTA are the easiest ways to actually install TrollStore, since they do not require a computer. And so what we're going to do is just click on TrollStore here. And now on this page, all you guys need to do is just sideload the TrollStore app here. So if we scroll down here, you guys can either use to sideload this with something like KSign, eSign, or even like Sideloadly. But it says here that TrollStore X is currently signed at jailbreaks.app for an easy installation without computer. If it isn't installed, then yeah, you guys can use like Sideloadly or anything like that. But since it is here, I would highly recommend just clicking this over here. So click on that link. And now that you guys are on jailbreaks.app here, you guys are going to go to TrollStore here, click on get, and then it'll say jailbreaks.app would like to install TrollStore X. Click install, and now as you guys can see, TrollStore X has successfully installed on our iOS device. And now what we have to do is just click on the app. You guys will get an untrusted enterprise developer here, so just go into your settings app, go into general, scroll down to VPN and device management, and just click on the enterprise app here, click on trust, and now the app has been trusted. So we can go back to our home screen here, and now we can just open up the TrollStore X here. And once you guys do open up the app, you'll see a little pop-up here saying unsandboxing. TrollStore uses the 100% reliable Mac Dirty Cow exploit to unsandbox and copy the kernel cache. Press the button down below to run the exploit. You only need to do this once, so just click on that here, and then just click on OK here. And that's all you have to do. And now we can finally install TrollStore here. But just do note that on iOS 16.5 for A15 and A16 and M2 devices, as well as iOS 16.6 to 16.6.1, for A12 and later devices, you guys will need to install TrollStore through the installed persistence helper after using TrollStore X. So if you guys want, I can leave a little tutorial for that down below. Just let me know. But for this iOS version and my chip, I don't really need to do that. And now all you guys really need to do is just click on install TrollStore here, and then it will install here. If you guys get something like stuck on exploiting kernel or something like that, then just reboot your iDevice and reopen up Troll Installer. But for me, I didn't, so I don't have to. And now what we have to do is just choose an app for the persistence helper. So for this, I would recommend doing something like Tips, or like just choose something that you guys never use. So something like Tips is what they recommend. So I'll click on Tips here. And now TrollStore has been successfully installed. And now you guys can just find TrollStore. So you guys are going to go over here. And as you guys can see, TrollStore is now on my home screen. And I'll click on TrollStore here. It'll say installing ID. And now, as you guys can see, TrollStore works perfectly fine. You guys can go into settings here and you can do whatever you guys want. You guys can sideload anything here. And then just one quick thing here. So under security, under settings, you guys are going to go to URL scheme enabled, turn that on. And what you need to do here is just click on rebuild now. So it'll rebuild the icon cache. And once it's done rebuilding the icon cache, it will prompt your iDevice to respring. And now you guys can just click on the plus icon here and click on install IPA file. And once you guys do that, the app will have absolutely no revokes. So that means that it will permanently stay on your iDevice. You do not need to refresh every 7 days or do any of that. The app will be there to stay. And now if you guys go into your Tips app here, you guys can see the TrollStore helper here. So if you guys want to uninstall TrollStore, uninstall persistence helper, you guys can do it here. And you guys can also update TrollStore to the latest version here by clicking on that. Anyways, I hope this video helped. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe. Also leave a comment down below if you guys want to see something similar, and thanks for watching.